Nature's Bill of Rights. Hold on there, boys. Don't you realize you're polluting the water with that refuse? You're ruining your swimming hole as well as fishing. We all have to work at keeping the air, the ground, and the water around us as pure as possible. City officials and sanitation engineers are busy keeping sewage from having to go into nearby rivers and bays. Industrialists and mechanical engineers are trying to eliminate dangerous smoke, fumes, and powdered ashes by mechanical devices and improved fuels. Farmers and agricultural scientists experiment to increase the effectiveness of chemicals to save and improve crops while reducing the dangers of poisoning to man and friendly animals. Maybe this won't do as much good as the engineers, but everybody can help. We believe that all citizens have an inherent right to the enjoyment of pure and uncontaminated air and water and soil, that this right should be regarded as belonging to the whole community, and that no one should be allowed to trespass upon it by his carelessness or his avarice or even his ignorance. From a Massachusetts Board of Health Statement, 1869. Published as a public service in cooperation with the National Social Welfare Assembly, coordinating organisation for national health, welfare and recreational agencies of the US.